Myself, Meenu, I just want to take a feedback from your side. So just give an introduction about yourself,
Mhm.
Peerzada.
Okay, my name is Peerzada Ahmed. I'm from Kashmir. I have done my bachelor's in 2019 from the Engineering College, Pathankot. And then after that, uh, I was knowing about the CMTI through the YouTube app. Then after that, connected with you, ma'am. Currently, I'm pursuing, and after that, I cracked the interview.
Okay,
It's all about
so
me, ma'am.
how did I guided you for the next step? So how did I give you the brief idea for the next step? Because you are pursuing in online, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I have taken
Definitely,
you to the
ma'am.
next step, right? So what made you to understand?
You are understanding me in a very calm way and you cooperate very well. आपने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से मेरे से कॉपरेट किया, अंडरस्टैंड किया कि कैसे गूगल मीट करना है, कैसी क्लासेस ज्वाइन करना है. So I'm really happy. I'm really happy, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, that was great only. So what all the things you have learned in advanced construction management course?
In advanced construction, I have learned Primavera, rate analysis, MS Word, AutoCAD, regarding construction, things that I have learned.
अब अभी ऑनलाइन में सीख रहे हैं ना अभी so what all the live things if it is interactive or
Yes,
how the sessions were going
the- yes,
you can tell few points regarding it.
online सब कैसे गूगल मीट ज्वाइन करना है, क्लास कैसी क्लासेस ज्वाइन करना है. So everything he teach me and told me that how to crack interview, everything. So sometime क्या हुआ था कि मैं थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ स्टेशन गया था, तो आपने रिकॉर्डिंग ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग सेंड किया कि कैसे ज्वाइन क्लासेस करना है, फिर क्या करना है. तो अप टू नेक्स्ट लेवल लिया आपने मैम. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Yeah, so आप how did you crack the interview you can tell आप अभी interview crack किया ना like how many rounds were there you can explain it.
There are two rounds in interview. First, there will be the just phone call. Then after that, there will be a Google Meet. In that way, then after that, you guided me how to crack interview, and it was a very great experience, ma'am. And you teach me and
Okay.
you taught me that how to crack interview.
Okay,
Thank you,
how
ma'am.
was CMTI staff coordination? Entire, how was their coordination and supportive to you?
The coordination was very good, ma'am. It was the teachers that teach me have 30 years of experience. Not a joke, ma'am. And they teach me, taught me, and coordinate very well. Sometimes I have a question and I raise their hands and I told them, please clear my confusion and everything. Really great.
Okay, how much do you like?
And
I think you know about our CMTI app. So how much do you like our CMTI app?
CMTI app is eco-friendly, user friendly. I can say you. कैसे पॉपअप वीडियोस करना है, कैसे फ्रेंड कैसे इसको स्टार्ट करना है, तो उसमें क्या था कि एक लेमन भी इसको चला सकता है. इतना ज्यादा अच्छा ऐप है.
I want to ask you, like, would you like to refer CMTI to your friends?
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. I ask you, everyone, whether they are experienced or whether they are students, whether they are doing job. In every aspect, I told you, the students, colleagues, friends, join CMTI. Really, it आपका एक next level पे लेके जाएंगे आपको. I'm really thankful to CMTI. Thank you
Yeah,
very much,
very
ma'am.
happy to hear, Peerzada. So, would you like to,
Thank you.
like, from Peerzada's point of view, juniors के क्या बोलना चाहती है? अभी आप कोर्स परस्यू किया, अभी क्रैक किया, क्या बोलना चाहती है upcoming juniors or students who want to join the CACM course? From Peerzada's point of
मैं
view.
अपनी मैं अपनी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि स्टूडेंट्स है या एक्सपीरियंस है, को नॉलेज की जरूरत है, जिनको नॉलेज गेन करना है, कि प्लीज वो ज्वाइन करें CMTI ऐप, ज्वाइन करे या ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ज्वाइन करे, ऑफलाइन क्लासेस ज्वाइन करे. आपको आप नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाएंगे. आपको डेफिनेटली विल क्रैक एवरी एस्पेक्ट और विल क्रैक इंटरव्यू इन एवरी फील्ड.
Yeah,
थैंक यू
thank
मैम.
you so much for the wonderful
Incredible.
feedback, Peerzada. All the best for your career. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'm thankful to be a part of you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sure,
You
sure,
helped me a
Peerzada.
lot.
Yeah, thanks.
You
That's all.
take me
Very
up to your
happy to
next level,
hear.
ma'am.
Sure,
Thank you
Peerzada.
very much.
Have a bright future. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Take care, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks.